How soon after the death of a loved one should you or are you allowed to file for probate? Well, first of all, let's start with a definition of probate. Probate is a legal process through which the court system administers the estate of a deceased person. It collects the assets, pays debts, and then distributes the rest to the beneficiaries. So before you decide on when to file for probate, make sure probate is needed. Because if the person who died has an estate plan in place, a probate may not be needed. But if there is no estate plan in place, or the estate plan is incomplete, and there is real property in the estate, a probate will indeed likely have to be filed in order for the house to be sold for cash to pay debts, for example, or in order for that house or for that real property to be distributed to the heirs. So how soon can you do that? Well, some courts around the state of Oklahoma require that you present a death certificate at the time of initiating the probate, so then you may have to wait for a death certificate. Usually it takes 2 to 3 weeks to get a death certificate on hand, so that would be a good time. If there is no immediate need to file for probate because there is an estate plan in place, or because there is no need to access bank accounts, or the bank accounts have payable on death designations, other financial assets the same, have beneficiaries listed, so that makes it easy to access some of the cash, then a probate can be filed much later. I worked with families who filed for probate within a few months. Others waited maybe close to a year because there was no immediate need, and others waited several years for whatever reason. So there is no rule on how soon or how late or by what time should you file for probate. It really depends on your situation. If there is an estate plan in place and everything is covered and there are listed beneficiaries on the financial accounts, no probate is needed. If there is no immediate need to file for probate, then you can wait several months or maybe several years. Again, it all depends on your family's circumstances. What kind of assets are in the estate, if there is a plan in place, what kind of emergent situations arise, the need for cash, how well everyone plays together, and what arrangements are made until an official probate is filed. If you have any questions about this video, or if you're not sure if a probate needs to be filed, or even better, if you're trying to avoid probate, please give me a call, 405-857-8231. I'm always happy to chat for a few minutes about your situation and give you some options. Be sure to watch our other educational videos, maybe join us for one of our monthly free estate planning educational events, and visit our Facebook page for daily posts. Thank you for watching.